in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, it is a lovely recipe, and this one is stir-fried cabbage with mackerel served with some brown rice. Hopefully, guys, like the recipe. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend to a friend. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically today I want to do you guys a lovely stir-fried cabbage with mackerel served with brown rice. Really fantastic and nice. Before we go into details, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what I have right here. So basically I have the cabbage, some bean, carrot and mixed peppers, and also white onion and some garlic. Alright, so basically I'm not going to show you how to cut up all of these ingredients, you know, because this is just a simple ingredients for you guys to cut up at home and stir fry the cabbage. Alright, so basically I'll be using this kind of mackerel which you can get into the local shop or supermarket to buy. Alright guys, so please enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. It's a healthy recipe, and hopefully guys will like this one. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Nice one. So now it's going to be started now. So basically I'm just gonna show you how to do this beautiful stir-fried cabbage with mackerel. Alright, basically I'm gonna be using my spray oil in the pot. Alright, you can use whatever oil I like to use, but I'm gonna use my oil, spray oil. Alright, so first thing what I'm going to do is put in some carrot, which is very easy. Alright, so that's the carrot. And I want to say, if you're going to do your stir-fry cabbage, always use carrot, guys, honestly. No matter what you have, you're going to have it with. Let's have it with some carrot, you know? And carrot is very good for your eyesight. So I'm using 2 medium-sized carrots. I'm just cutting them out very small. That's the carrot. And now we're going to put in a medium-sized white onion. That's the white onion. Now we're going to put in some red pepper. Some green pepper. I love my green pepper, guys. Honestly, it's just fantastic to cook with green pepper and yellow pepper, all different kind of pepper. Now, I got some leek. It's nice to have leek in your cooking. Leek could have come like spring onion, but very strong. You know what I mean? I'm using a nice piece of leek inside of it. Yeah, that's the leek. Now we have some munch bean. I don't know if you guys know what is munch bean. Munch bean is like a bean where you can use to just cook on its own. Really nice. That's the munch bean. And I'm not going to be using the whole of my cabbage. I'm going to use roughly about quarter of the cabbage. Guys, a lot, you know? Yeah, it's a lot, man. Like the kitchen. I'm gonna put a tomato inside of it. That's the tomato. That is lovely and nice. Alright, what we're going to do now is put roughly about half tablespoon of vegetable season. Just gonna put a little bit of salt, not much. I'm using sea salt, custard sea salt, alright, which is healthy. We're gonna put some black pepper. That is lovely. Now we're going to cut up some cabbage. Alright, don't cut up a cabbage too thick, cut it up finely. Alright, that's the cabbage. Now we're gonna put some garlic inside of it. You can't cook without garlic. Look at that. That is lovely. Really lovely, guys, honestly. Trust me, this is just amazing. Let's give it a stir, but we don't want it to burn. And I put a little bit of Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Here it is. You can find that on my YouTube channel. So what we're going to do, we're going to simply keep stirring it. If you feel like it's sticky and everything, just put a little bit of water in it. That much, just a tiny little bit of water. Just cover it and let it for it to steam, you know. After it steam, we're gonna put in that lovely mackerel inside of it, guys. And honestly, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really fantastic. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see exactly what's going on. Alright, now it is finished. As you can see it for yourself, alright? That's a proper steamed cabbage. It's So you can always add a mackerel and your stuff to it. Alright guys, so I enjoy that one. And remember, this is from the Chef Ricardo and the team. You know what I mean? There's a lot more stuff coming, as you can see. Alright? So yeah, looking good. So what we're gonna do now is just add some mackerel to it. 2 tins of mackerel, you know what I mean? Just to show you exactly what the guys can do at home. Not at home, man, cooking. Alright guys, look at that. That is lovely. Oh, nice. So just fold over the mackerel over it like that. The veg like that. Remember me telling them I'm gonna put 2 tins of mackerel inside of it, so yeah. That looking good. So you just fold it overnight like that. You know? Allow it make it want to cook. The rice and the mackerel cook together, you know? Let's taste the veg. That is just lovely. So give that another good 10 minutes and we are good to go. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. So we're just gonna simply share it up here. Looking good. We're gonna share it up. So that's looking good. Just gonna simple put a little bit of rice. Not much. But this is just a healthy weight loss recipe, guys. Honestly. Yeah. That looking good and an amazing. Really fantastic and nice. Now I'm gonna simply put some salad. Especially when it's a weight loss recipe like this, you need to keep it, you know what I mean? Very simple and nice. So that's apple, celery, spinach, and tomato and cucumber. If you want to lose weight, here it is. A very nice and lovely recipe for you to make at home. That rice, it doesn't have butter and no oil, no sugar. The salad, it have a lot of lemon dressing and very healthy and good for you with apple cider vinegar. So stay tuned and don't forget to click in the notification bell and please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.